Welcome back to Number Sense, the YouTube channel that helps you make sense of all the numbers in your life, or at least the ones in your math book. This is a video for a fraction game called Concentrating on One. For this game, you're going to need the fraction cards. You can order these from Right Start Math. I will link in the show notes to these exact cards. We are only using 20 cards in this game, so you could make them out of 3x5 cards if you haven't had a chance to buy these cards yet, but I highly recommend just ordering these. They're inexpensive and they're very valuable for helping learn about fractions and practice fractions. It's a fun way to learn about fractions that helps them be less scary for our students. For this game, we're going to be using basically two halves, two cards that are 1/2, and then one of each of the other cards except for the number 1. There will be a list in the show notes of exactly which cards you need so that you can easily get ready for this game. This is a simple matching memory type game, so let's go ahead and get started. For this game, you'll take your 20 fraction cards, mix them up, and then put them down on the table upside down. I put mine in a 5x4 array. To start the game, you just flip over a card. This first card is 1/4, so you think of what goes with 1/4 to make 1. That would be 3/4, but we turned over 4/5, so those do not match. Next card is 1/2. What goes with 1/2 to make 1? Another half. Oh, not 9/10. Flip the cards back over. Our next card is 1/8. What goes with 1/8 to make 1? That's right, 7/8. That's 1/5. No match. Next card is 7/8. Aha! Now we have a match. 7/8 and 1/8 makes 1. You set the cards off to the side and continue just like you would with any sort of memory game. This is a great game to have your fraction chart out for because it's really great for our students to not have to guess. We want them to be confident in their answers so that when they flip over, say a 4/5, they can look at the fraction chart and see that we need one more fifth to make 1. It probably won't take very long for your students to feel very confident with this game, and then it will just be a simple memory game. I'm going to speed up the video for the rest of the game because I think everybody knows how to play memory at this point. This game can be played either as a solitaire game, where maybe you just race your time and see if you can beat your last time, or it can be played as a 2-player game. In that case, if you flip over a match, you go ahead and get to take another turn. And then obviously if you don't get a match, the other person gets a turn. You just keep going until all the matches have been found, and whoever has the largest pile at the end is the winner. Again, this is a fast, easy game to play with your students. You can take it with you on trips. You can do it just about anywhere. You could do it at a restaurant. And it's really a fun game. My kids enjoy playing this game. All right, we're almost at the end here. 3/4 and 1/4. Hooray! All right, 1/3 and 2/3. 1/10 and 9/10. And there's our last match. The game is over. Well, there you go. Now you have a new game that you can play with your students that will help them to understand and enjoy fractions.